Hi, hello, I'm Kenan Nugent, and this is for the video documentation for Principles of Software Engineering for this little project I'm doing. The project's name is Trade Simple. And what is Trade Simple? So Trade Simple is a platform meant to democratize quantitative trading, uh, as well as education material for the average person in order to teach real-time market analysis, as well as give users powerful trading tools and teaching them how to leverage those technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning, running mathematical models, stuff like that of that nature. And just so that the user can perform quick and precise trades on a real-time market, or uh, have the user test their skills on historical market data with several market conditions. So going more into the SRS field, um, we would like the platform to follow so many rules. And in that case, we want the platform to be user friendly since it's going out to everyone. We want to be sure that everyone is able to use the platform correctly and to its full potential, and as well as run on multiple platforms such as phones, tablets, computers, and whether it be touchscreen or require uh, mouse or keyboard. And we want to be sure that the data provided is real time during the real time aspect for our trading simulator. And we want to store this all on the cloud just uh, so that we will be able to host this data. And with this real-time information, we want to be sure that the information is correct and that trades perform properly. So say like we receive a trading request, make sure that it's validated and then executed properly. And just in case that something like that might not happen, we'll have like say like problems like overflow, communication failures, and error handling. We'll be sure to handle it correctly, either halt the operation, switch to a secondary channel in case communication fails, or log errors just for future use, where we could correct them in the future. And uh, so more on the non-functional requirement sides, want to be sure that the platform is reliable to where stuff and stuff perform how it should be, and through this we'll use technologies like automated testing frameworks to ensure, and delivery pipelines as well, to ensure that that happens. And we want the platform to be available 24/7 because education does not stop, and the trading usually happens on weekdays, but on the weekends we want the user to be able to continue learning throughout the weekend. For security, since we're dealing with the uh, money, it will involve technologies like TLS, and as can be seen on our little definitions, transport layer security to provide secure communications between our systems or of user data, and as well as authentications like OAuth2 and OpenID connects for more flexible user authentication, and and as well as assess the security on the platform as well to fix any vulnerability just in case it wasn't initially discovered. And the platform will be, updated uh, Um, uh, the traceable would be updated. Would be updated without interrupting too much of the flow, as the market is varies so much that in the second that the platform is down, the user might miss an opportunity to make some extra cash. So be sure to have minimal downtime. And for the term of portability, we would also, um, well, as you said, anywhere, right? Laptops, tablets, mobile devices. So anywhere, really, the user could trade anywhere, and through this we'll do 95% it will be host dependent, so it won't be on the local machine of the user. It'll be on the cloud, so that way the user can just access anywhere. And performance, we must do it with minimal latency, as the market is, as I said, real time, and any order that could have happened could have made the user extra money would have been lost if if not done correctly. And going to the SDD side, um, this is how we have our architectural designs for our system components, where we have for the user interfaces level, we'll have web front end, mobile front end, right, connecting with the mobile API gates, and with that connected with all our data access, external APIs, and then third-party APIs as well. Where here we'll be doing all the cloud hosting, executing, scaling through here, and the third parties such as storage of certain materials, messaging systems, or any payment processes. And for the data level, just database services of our save historical data for financial information. And part of this information is incorrect, as the relationship for the user and courses is really many to many, because the user can have can be enrolled in many courses, which would be composed of module and quizzes, and then exams for the user to learn, and then for training simulations, you know, to really test the user, we want to have them be able to run multiple simulations, just so that they can learn from any historical market conditions that the market already experienced before, and as well as for payment in the case that the user wants to trade with real money instead of the paper money that we offer on the site. In terms for our systems, it's just our uh, uh, entity relationship map, where courses can be composed of multiple modules and multiple quizzes, and one user can have as much training simulations as possible, as well as payments if you want to pay with various payment methods. And it was all designed for scalability and reliability, in the sense that, like, just in case more users come, or something happens to the market where everyone just decides to trade, then we have to be ready for that. And this is just, and here's a little sample of what we might offer for the user interface. Obviously, this would be the trading simulator, and we want to be able to provide obviously logs for the purchases your algorithm could have made, your additions of algorithms, and just in case you want to repull your notes or courses or any saved information, you probably do it from here. On the STD side, uh, obviously want to ensure that all user authentication is secure and all data is secure, and that the courses are accessible and usable by everyone in all platforms, and that the trading simulator offered by our platform works correctly, as well as making it user friendly as well. And then if not, be able to receive feedback from the user. And then we'll use multiple testing approaches for the platform, manual testing, automated functional performance and security, just to ensure that the platform is running at its best potential. And no features we'll test the user registration login and stuff like that, just to ensure that everything works correctly. And in our document, we provide that was expected to happen just in case it doesn't fail what is recognized as failure and what it considers passing. And with all this testing of the function features, we want to be able to document all this so that we have the deliverables and how we should test our platform, as well as explain more on what the user might need. All right, thank you so much.